what was the inspiration rather to even think to pin your thoughts, your ideas, your research, all of that in the book? What was the impetus?
Well, it was sort of part actually through the Mack Institute, kind of where we talked to a lot of companies, and we seen across a whole set of industries that firms were really reshaping, they were connecting with their customers. You know, sort of rather than having few episodic interactions with customers, where you sort of wait for a customer to come to you with a particular need, we were seeing firms being much more continuously connected with customers and having the ability to even anticipate the needs of a customer, right? And kind of we felt sort of our comparative advantage was that we had insights into a whole set of industries, be it healthcare or financial industry or entertainment, retail, right? So if we have participants from all of these industries, and we saw it in all of these things, and that's where we said, well, there's really something going on there of how really firms reshape things, how they connect with their customers, and then sometimes how they connect various players in their ecosystems, right? So if you think about Uber, kind of, right, Uber connected sort of two previously unconnected parties, right? People with cars in some time and people who needed a ride, right? And so those are kind of basically the two elements of connected strategies. They're sort of connecting new parties and connecting with customers differently.